Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. Today's topic is difference between C, C++, Java and Python. There are some differences between C, C++, Java and Python. First difference is operator overloading. C in C, operator overloading not supported. In C++, operator overloading is supported. In Java, it is not supported. And Python is supported the operator overloading. Which type? C is compiled programming language. C++ is also compiled programming language. Java is also compiled and interpreted language. And Python is a interpreted language. Multiple inheritance. In C does not support multiple inheritance. C++ both supports the both single and multiple inheritance. Java supports partial multiple inheritance. Python supports both single and multiple inheritance. Platform. C use specific platform. C++ use dependent platform. Java used unaffected platform and Python is used independent platform. Threads. C supports the threads. C++ does not support the threads, but Java supports multi-threading and Python also supports the multi-threading. Availability of library. In C language, there available library, but it is a small. In C++ also small. In Java, as compared to C++, Java has large library and Python has also large library. Syntax rule. In C, C++, Java, all three languages strictly follow the rules of syntax rules because these all are the case sensitive language, and in Python it's not necessary. These are the difference between C, C++, Java and Python. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and share my channel for next video.